Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download QuickBooks Online for recurring invoicing workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To download QuickBooks Online for recurring invoicing workflows, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official QuickBooks website. Look for the Sign In option in the upper right corner and click on it. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, locate the Sign Up button and click on it. Follow the prompts to create your new account. Once logged in, you will find the dashboard of QuickBooks Online. From the dashboard, look for the Invoicing option in the main menu. Click on Invoicing to access the Invoicing section. In the Invoicing section, look for the Recurring Transactions option. Click on Recurring Transactions to begin setting up your recurring invoices. Select Create New to start a new recurring invoice. Fill in the customer details for the recurring invoice. Add the products or services you want to include in the invoice. Set the frequency for how often you want the invoice to be sent out. Choose the start date for your recurring invoicing. You can also set an end date if necessary. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Click on the Save button to finalize your recurring invoice settings. Your recurring invoice is now set up and will automatically be processed according to the frequency you specified. Return to the dashboard to manage or edit any recurring invoices as needed. To ensure everything runs smoothly, consider checking back regularly to verify your invoices are being sent as scheduled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.